Everyone, welcome back to day 9 of the 200 days of Python challenge. Today we are going to practice about Python comparison operators. The question is right here, write a program to check if a student has passed the exam. A student passed if mark is greater than 33. Right. Otherwise, the result is like if the mark is greater than or equal to 33, the result will be true. Okay. Or the student was student has passed. Result will be false. Let's try this question. Marks equal to like we are using 55. Okay. Now print marks is greater than or equal to 33. So is it true? Why? Is it true because 53 is greater than equal to 33? That's why it's true. The student has passed the exam basically. Python d9.py. Now we will check here true. The student is passed. The student has passed first the section. So just now we will check some other examples like we are using marks equal to 33. Then print here. Now we will check it here. Now it's always now also true. We will when we will use here 32, it's a false. 32. The student cannot get the 32 is a greater than or equal to 33. No, that's why it's a false because the student cannot get the passing marks. Now we will check some other questions. Now let's understand another problem. What is the question? Write a program to check whether a number is greater than 100. So, so to do this, we will use the greater than operator. If the number is greater than 100, the result is true. Otherwise, the result will be false. Basically, let's write the code. Number is greater than 100. So number equal to 100. Then print greater than 100. Number is greater than 100. Number equal to 100. Like number is 150 because it's not saying greater than equal to basically. So we will check here. 150 is a greater than 100. It's greater than 100. Yes. So it's written true. Now we will check here. Go to here. Write here and comma. Then we will come here. Write here. This is This is the greater than value, greater than number. Sorry, greater than number. This is greater than number is 150 or something else. You can write whatever else. Basically, whites come because 150 is greater than 100. That's why the output is true. Like we are using some other numbers, like first of all we are using like this. Just a second. Like we are using Aditya as 200-year old. So it's a greater than, like it's a greater than 100. So Aditya is greater than 100. If Aditya is if Aditya is greater than 100, the result will be true. Otherwise, the result will be false. Okay. So, so 200 is greater than 100. The result will be true. So the answer is here true. True, true. And it here also. If this is 100, like this is a false. Aditya is 100 is greater than 100, like 100 is greater than 100, the output will be false. Is false because if the Aditya is greater than 100, like greater than no, no, the Aditya is greater than 100. So greater than is equal to greater than 100. Greater than 100 is a false. This is a not a greater than value. This is a 100 is a equal to value. That's why it's false. So we will check here also. Like we can change here 0. Now we will check here. This is false. Do this. Now let's solve some another problems. Like write a problem to check whether two numbers are equal to. Here we use the comparison. Compare two values. Two values are compared. We use to equal to operator. If both numbers are same, the result will be true. Otherwise, the result will be false. Okay. So we will check here like this. A equal to 10 and B equal to 10. So the value is here A equal to B. That means 10 equal to 10 is 20. So the answer is true. If we are using here 11, this is false. Okay. We will move to the next question. Now let's solve another question. We will explain here. Write a problem to check whether user enter password is equal to Python 123. Like this is similar to how to login system work on website and application. To compare the enter password with the correct password, we use the equal to operator. If both passwords are the same, the result will be true. Otherwise, the result will be false. Like this, when we are writing here Python ID, Python ID is equal to like dash 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 z2 fm. Then we are writing here password equal to Python 123. Python 123. So we will check here Python password equal to Python 123. Like password basically. Yeah. So we will check here. Sorry. Print. Okay. Now we will check here what is the answer. It's true because both password are same. The output is true. That's right. If we are writing like this here, capital letter P, so check, we will check the result. The result is false because password equal to like Python is a case sensitive. So here is the P is a small letter and here is the P is a capital letter. That's why. Here we need to check whether the password entered the match the correct password or not. So we will always we will compare both password using always the equal to operators. We need to check whether we need to check whether two usernames are different or not. To do this, we use the not equal to operator. This operator, this operator check if two values are not the same. If both username are different, the result will be true. If both username are same, the result will be false. Basically. Then we will check here, like Python ID, we will write here Python ID. Python ID, Python ID, like Python ID is equal to, now we will write here username 1 equal to Aditi and username 2 equal to A admin. So print username 1 equal to username 2. Username 1 equal to username 2. Now we will check here what is the output. Basically why? Because we are using equal to operator. First of all we will change here not equal to operator, then we will check. Now it's true. What is the problem? It's true because the both username are different, the result will be true. Like we are using here Aditi and admin, user 1 and user 2. That's why the result will be true. If both username are same like Aditi and Aditi, the result will be false basically. Like this. Aditi, Aditi and Aditi, the result will be false. That's why. Okay. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video. If any query, please comment in below. Thank you so much.